is the sounds of letter A? What is the sounds of letter B? What is the sounds of letter C? What is the sounds of letter D? What is the sounds of letter E? What is the sounds of letter F? What is the sounds of letter G? What is the sounds of letter H? What is the sounds of letter J? What is the sounds of letter K? What is the sounds of letter M? What is the sounds of letter N? What is the sounds of letter O? What is the sounds of letter P? What is the sounds of letter S? What is the sounds of letter T? What is the sounds of letter V? What is the sounds of letter Y? What is the sounds of letter Z? Bravo! Bravo! Hurrah!
Mommy.